Hi, my name is Ubaid from Islamabad, Pakistan. Welcome to my CS50 2025 final project presentation. My project is called StudyMate. It's a web app that helps students summarize long study material by catching the core ideas, definitions, formulas, and important dates from their notes. Alright guys, this is StudyMate and here you see my information as required for the project. StudyMate is a web app designed to save student times by turning long PDF slides or notes into short, easy to read summaries. The interface is simple: upload your files, paste your text, click summarize, and quickly get a clean, readable summary. I built this app to help students like me who struggle with reviewing hundreds of pages before exam. StudyMates use HTML and CSS as a front end and Python Flask as a back end. I kept the design minimal, clean layout, simple color, and easy navigation, and focus on learning only. Main feature include summarizing long notes, allow you to upload PDF and paste text. Currently, it doesn't support every language or special symbol, which can limit some use case. My motivation came from my own struggle as a student. I wanted to make a tool that reduce stress and save study time. In the future, I plan to add multi-language ensemble support and improved summarization accuracy. Okay, then let's have a demo. Alright guys, so here we are with our StudyMate and we got two options to choose a file or paste the text, and then we're gonna push the button generate summary. So I'm gonna go with choose a file. So I got two books, Atomic Habits and Rich Dad Poor Dad. I'm gonna go with Atomic Habit and open it. So it's selected, chosen Atomic Habit.pdf. I'm gonna push the generate summary. It is taking a while, and that's the summary of Atomic Habits. That's the core idea that we change bit by bit, day by day. Okay, and that's the definitions, and there is no formula used, and that's the date used in the book. So I'm gonna go back and try the second options, and I'm gonna paste here the other book named as Rich Dad Poor Dad. Control V, which I copied a while ago, and that's the book, that's the content of the Rich Dad Poor Dad. So I'm gonna go to generate summary, and so that's the core idea of the books. The rich have money work for them, and that's the definitions, and there is no formula in this book either.